Have you ever had potato soup, or have you ever made it? I'm gonna taste it for you. First time I've ever made it, and it smells so good and it looks so good. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? Yes. So I'm about to have lunch. Just look at that. No, don't drip it, don't drip it. It's a little warm. Let me taste it and tell you how it is. Give you a little bit. Just get you a little bit. It's hot. Blow on it. It's hot. Okay. See that bacon and green onions. Very tasty. Very tasty, and it's good for this 10-degree weather. Comfort food. So good. So good. Hope you enjoyed. Time of the year. 10 degrees here. It's freezing cold. I decided to make some soup. Had a bag of potatoes, and this is the first time that I have ever tried potato soup. I am meal prepping, so I will have this. I can throw it in the freezer, throw a couple in the refrigerator. I have already eaten 3 bowls. Isn't that terrible? I packed up a bowl for my brother Jeffrey as well. And this is what I have left. The small one here on the right side is for Demia. She helped me cut up all the potatoes last night. Bon appetit. It is delicious. Oh my goodness.